Hey guys, so today we're going to be learning about reciprocal and rational functions. Y equals 1 over x is the reciprocal function. This is my table of values, and then this is them graphed. As you can see, we once again have y equals 1 over x graphed in the red, but in the black we have y equals 1 over x plus 2 plus 3. The horizontal shift for this is left 2, and the vertical shift is up 3. The vertical asymptote is x is negative 2, and you can see that right here because it never crosses negative 2. And the horizontal asymptote is y equals 3, and you can tell that because it's right here and it never crosses 3. The domain is all real numbers except x equals negative 2, and the range is all real numbers except y equals 3. Lastly, I will be showing you a single rational function. So here is the equation that I chose to use, and then you FOIL it, and this is what you're left with. To get the vertical asymptote, you must set it equal to 0 and solve. So then you have x equals 1 and x equals negative 3. So here's x equals 1 right here, and here's x equals negative 3. And you can tell that it's the vertical asymptote because the lines will never cross it. To find the horizontal asymptote, you compare the degrees of the numerator to the denominator. So you look up here, and in the numerator, the highest degree is 2, and in the denominator, the highest degree is also 2. So since they're equal, you must do y is equal to AB, and you plug in your terms. So you have 2 over 2, which is also 1 over 1, so y equals 1, which means that your horizontal asymptote is 1, and you can see that right here. The discontinuities, you also set those equal to 0, and then you have x equals 1 and x equals negative 3.